Hey, Scott Grove here from Imagine Grove, and I've been having a lot of fun with this crushed mother of pearl and these little bowl projects. Here I inlaid it over some black veneer that I put on edge in a spiral form and as a power shell perimeter. Having a lot of fun with it, so let me show you how I did that. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that. I really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and my website, imaginegrove.com. I also have a free newsletter there, which is based on design tips for craftspeople, so hope that works out for you. And again, remember to find a line and cross it. See you next time.